Meaning of friar.
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 Friar. A friar is a member of a religious order who lives a mendicant lifestyle, often devoting their lives to serving the poor and spreading their faith. The term friar comes from the Latin word frater, meaning brother. Friars typically take vows of poverty, chastity, and obedience, and may live in communal settings such as monasteries or friaries. They belong to various religious orders within the Catholic Church, including the Franciscans, Dominicans, and Augustinians. Through their work and teachings, friars serve as guides for the faithful and embody the ideals of humility, kindness, and compassion.